If you want stunning aerial shots, cinematic video, and intelligent flight features, DJI drones are still the gold standard. Please watch this video till the end, because today, I'm revealing the top 5 best DJI drones of 2026. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you're a beginner learning to fly, a traveler capturing breathtaking landscapes, or a professional filmmaker, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right DJI drone. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is an FPV-style drone designed for immersive flying experiences. It features a 4K camera, 155-degree ultra-wide field of view, and built-in propeller guards for safer indoor or close proximity flying. The Fly Smart combo also includes goggles N3 and RC Motion 3, delivering a fully immersive first-person flying experience. Review highlights. Unlike traditional drones, the Avata 2 focuses on dynamic FPV flight. It's perfect for adrenaline-style footage, cinematic motion shots, and creative aerial perspectives. Pros: immersive FPV flying experience, 155-degree ultra-wide camera field of view, built-in propeller guards for safety, one-push acrobatic flight modes, includes goggles for first-person control. Number 4. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a professional drone featuring a powerful 3-camera system, including a 100-megapixel 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. It also offers up to 51 minutes of flight time and an incredible 30-kilometer video transmission range. Review highlights. This drone is built for professional creators who want maximum image quality and advanced camera flexibility. The tri-camera system allows users to capture multiple focal lengths without switching lenses. Pros: 100-megapixel Hasselblad camera system, tri-camera setup for creative flexibility, up to 51 minutes flight time, 30-kilometer long-range video transmission, professional-grade aerial photography. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 remains one of the most popular drones thanks to its lightweight design under 249 grams and impressive 4K camera performance. It also supports vertical shooting, making it ideal for social media content creators. Review highlights. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 delivers excellent image quality and extremely stable flight performance. It's perfect for beginners and travelers who want a portable drone. Pros: lightweight under 249-gram design, 4K video recording, vertical shooting for social media, long flight time with Fly More combo, beginner-friendly controls. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro takes compact drones to the next level with 4K HDR video, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and active track intelligent subject tracking. It still maintains the under 249-gram lightweight design, making it easy to travel with. Review highlights. This drone combines professional features with a portable size. The advanced obstacle sensing and active track subject tracking make it extremely safe and easy to fly. Pros: 4K HDR video recording, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, advanced active track subject tracking, lightweight under 249-gram design, excellent portability. Number 1. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro takes the top position with its 1-inch CMOS camera sensor, delivering exceptional image quality and dynamic range. It also includes Active Track 360, obstacle sensing, and extended battery life, making it one of the most advanced compact drones DJI has released. Review highlights. This drone strikes the perfect balance between professional image quality and ultra-portable design. The 1-inch sensor allows better low-light performance and more cinematic footage. Pros: large 1-inch CMOS camera sensor, Active Track 360 intelligent tracking, advanced obstacle sensing, extended battery life, professional image quality in a compact drone. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera performance, flight intelligence, portability, and overall value, the DJI Mini 5 Pro stands out as the best overall DJI drone in this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.